Hello and welcome to Motor Match Stockport. My name's Daniel and I'm pleased to present you with this stunning Mercedes-Benz GLA220d AMG Line. Now this vehicle is currently run 29,974 miles and it's had two previous owners from new. It's finished in the colour Cavansite Blue, and if you'd like more information please give us a call on 0161 885 0358. Now taking a look around the vehicle, starting at the front here, you have some daytime running lights. There in the centre you have your Mercedes badge, nice and large, with chrome grille surrounding. Now around to the side, it does sit very nicely on the 19-inch alloy wheels, with the AMG badge in there on the side. You do have your indicator integrated into the door mirror, and you have nice rear privacy glass, give you nice privacy to the rear and adds to the styling as well. Now taking a look inside here at the rear, you've got very sporty seats with part leather and Alcantara. You do have red contrast stitching to give you a nice sporty feel, and there are ISOFIX points so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle and be sure it's safely secured in. There are rear air conditioning vents so rear passengers can benefit from the air conditioning and travel comfortably as well. You have roof rails up top finished in chrome so you can add things like a roof box to increase your storage, for example. You do have a power tailgate that can be opened using a button on the key fob to provide you with access into the very spacious boot. You can easily fit two suitcases in there. You also have some tethering points. You have a button up top, which is handy for when you're unloading the vehicle. When your hands are full, you don't have to struggle to close the tailgate. You simply push the button and it shuts for you. Now taking a look inside, you have your leather multifunction flat bottom AMG Line steering wheel there. In your front sport seats here, you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat so you can easily find the perfect driving position and be sure you're comfortable in this vehicle. And now that we've had a look around, I'm going to take you inside and show you some of the key features that this vehicle has to offer. So hopping in and starting on the driver's door, you have your electric mirror adjustments. These are great as you can quickly adjust your mirrors to see clearly to the rear of the vehicle. It's also very handy if you're parking, as you can put the mirrors down to check you're in the lines or next to the curb when parallel parking. Now on the dashboard here, you have your automatic headlight switch, which is handy as you don't have to worry about turning them on. When set to auto, they'll turn on when necessary, allowing you to keep focused on the road. You have your automatic gear selector there behind the steering wheel. You have some controls there for the radio. You also have some controls here for the display in between the dials in the instrument cluster. You can flick through your trip computer here to see things like your miles to the gallon. You also have a digital speedometer as well. You can also access additional menus such as your radio, where you can scroll through to different stations if you fancy a different station, and it means you don't have to take your eyes too far off the road to change it. You can also access your Bluetooth telephone menu, as well as your driver assist features that includes brake assist and attention assist. Brake assist will brake on your behalf if necessary when it detects a potential hazard ahead and you're too slow to brake. It helps reduce or prevent an impact. You also have some additional vehicle settings you can adjust there. Now behind the steering wheel you have your cruise control, which is ideal for those longer journeys. It means you don't have to keep your foot held on the accelerator the whole time and you can arrive to your destination with a bit more comfort and less strain in your foot. Now in the centre here you have your infotainment screen. As you can see, you have your buttons here below to control it. You also have this spinning dial as well as the two buttons to help control through the system. You can scroll through to your different menus here. As you can see, you do have FM and AM radio, so you can easily find and tune your favourite stations to the vehicle and save them as presets, so you always have them available and easy to find. You can also connect your own source of audio. You do have your Bluetooth as well as your USB connectivity. And of course with your Bluetooth as well, you can safely make hands-free phone calls, so you can keep up to date with whoever you need to, as you can import your contacts into the vehicle, so you can find whoever you need to call whenever. You also have some vehicle settings you can access, such as your dynamic select. You can set the time and date, as well as your owner's manual, When you access your vehicle settings, you can access things like your lighting. Now below here, you do have your different drive modes. You've got individual, off-road, eco, comfort and sport. You can change these depending on your driving mood, or say if you go off-roading, for example, you can put it into off-road mode so you know the vehicle will be capable. And as well, you do have your reverse camera to give you added confidence when reverse parking by making you more aware of your surroundings of the vehicle, of things you may not be able to see through your mirrors. Now below here you have your dual zone climate control that allows the driver and passenger to make their own preferred temperature choices, prevents any arguments on being too hot or too cold, allowing the driver and passenger to travel comfortably on their side of the vehicle. Thanks for watching this video on the Mercedes-Benz GLA220d AMG line. This vehicle is part of the Motor Match promise that includes a minimum 30-day or 1,000-mile warranty, whichever is sooner. You do have RAC extended warranty of up to 3 years available, along with flexible finance packages available as well. All Motor Match vehicles are subject to a £150 admin fee, which covers the provenance check. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358.